Hi, guys. This is the life of a nurse who has worked 5 whole days of her life and has just decided to chill today. Spend the day with me. It's going to be a very, very slow day. I've got a couple of things I need to do, but I'm sure to take you all along. If you're coming across my face for the first time, please do well to like this video, drop a comment, and share so that YouTube can recommend this channel to more people. Guys, just ignore my voice. So, I have just finished having my bath, but while I was doing that, I figured we are in spring, if not uh if not approaching. And guess what? I haven't booked a summer holiday yet. As a matter of fact, I don't even know where we will be spending our summer. I'm sure I want us to travel, but I don't know where, when, and how. So at this point, I think I need help. Should we just spend the summer in the UK or should we actually travel to another country? I don't know. This my victory dancing to Jehovah. He has never lost a battle. Pantocratic. Now you the fight, now me the winner. So because I haven't figured out summer yet, I'm just gonna book my leave, my annual leave for July this year, with the intention that before then we're going to decide on where we are going and put things in place as to if it requires visa, hotel and things like that. So yes, please, I need suggestions in the comment section. What country should we be looking at? you know any country where you think there are fun activities, things that will interest a baby girl like me. Just drop your suggestion. Okay. So, guys, tell me, what is a morning without an amazing breakfast? Tea or coffee? Let's make something. Okay? I've got to eat, or I eat, or I eat. Guys, so there's something I've actually noticed, and I noticed that I actually cannot eat bread. I mean, it's not like I cannot, but I prefer eating bread when it is toasted. I don't know if it's a good or a bad thing because having to always process things, heat up things, I don't know. Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? Just let me know. I just hope I'm not doing something crazy. Guys, my food is ready. So let's have breakfast. I'll see you guys later in the day.
Underneath the city lights, where dreams take flight. We chase the shadows, dance until the morning light. In the heart of the night, our spirit shines so bright. We find our rhythm in this life. We ignite, ignite. Oh, we shine. Oh yeah, through the night, so divine. Feel the beat, let it bind. Say we unwind, unwind. Neon signs and flashing lights, where dreams take flight. We chase the shadows, dance until the morning light. In the heart of the night, our spirit shines so bright. We find our rhythm in this life. We ignite, ignite, ignite.
So guys, I just woke up from sleep. I decided to take a little nap because I was so tired. Yeah, I also uploaded some videos on my socials, and of course I need to go downstairs, get something to eat for lunch, and then cook. So I intend cooking rice and beans. It's been a very long time we ate that in this house, so I just want to make rice and beans, something that is going to last us for the rest of the week. So I'll take you guys along as usual. What else have I done today? I think I read a little bit between 10 and 11 or thereabouts, and then I slept off up until now, which is like past 2 p.m. Yeah, so that's how my day is going so far. I hope you're enjoying the vlog, and I'll see you. Let's go downstairs just to have some lunch before I start cooking. I'm not really hungry, but I just need to eat something. So I have this leftover spaghetti from yesterday. I'm just going to be eating it. I found out this new method that people use now to prepare their tomato so that it's dry. That's like roasting it a little bit in the oven. I'm going to be trying it out today. I hope it turns out okay. But yeah, let's see how it goes. I have never used this method before, so wish me luck. Guys, so I just received this package. My husband actually ordered these items, but I'm going to be unboxing it, you know, on his behalf. I don't know, let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is for him. I don't know, but yeah, this is for him. Why do I feel like this trouser will be shirts? Jacket. So he bought this winter jacket for me because it's actually so fluffy and I love it. Like, for a long time now, I've actually been wanting to have this jacket. So let's see and hope that it's what we ordered versus what we got, or it's what we ordered we got rather than the other one. It's cute. Guys, I've always wanted to have this jacket. How do I look? Do I look good or do I look good? Or do I look good? Love it because you can actually style it. And yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. Good morning, guys. So this is the last part of this vlog. I'm officially ending the vlog today. We're about to step out, so I just decided to do outfit check. How do I look? Do I look cute or do I look cute, babe? How do I look? You're not serious. I look fine. Yes, that's me. I feel like I want to fly.
I don't have ways to follow you.
Holy Spirit, carry me. Oh, how do I look, guys? Rate my outfit. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please do well to like, drop a comment, and share this video so that YouTube can recommend it to more people. Bye.